Hi guys. Today we discuss topic about that very important one. So a lot of people worry about that. How to create a YouTube channel? Which content is better from YouTube channels? So what is the benefit for that? So everyone creating YouTube channel. What is the main goal? The YouTube channel main purpose earning money from that in YouTube. So what are the content is better to making a YouTube channel? So any video you can making for this one, there is a better idea for we have to creating for this content will be using for YouTube channel video purpose. We can go for this one. We can creating for skill videos, unboxing product and their reviews, how to videos, prank videos, tips videos, informative videos, traveling videos, lifestyle advice, news and film reviews, motivational videos, gaming videos, cooking videos, and serial reviews. So coming to the part, so some people are opening from the channels, they are preparing for different different scenarios they will be getting for ads in this channel. So how they explain for, they explain about the Sony Bravio for the TV review. They will be coming to the which one, coming to the informative or coming to the, they give the particular about the video related information. This all will be the creating for technical news. They give the technical news. Suppose you have to purchase one product, how the review will be given. So previous the people will read the reviews, but now the people watching for reviews. Suppose you can watch one Amazon product, you have to purchase it, like a speaker, anything. I'm saying for both Bluetooth speaker. See this. I'm saying for searching for review. So people will be watching for this one. So nowadays people will be writing comment of, so for lifestyle advice like health tips and how is yoga. So this all will be coming to the part of the this one, like, so different will be there, health tips. You can see this one. In here we are preparing any kind of videos or Telugu, Hindi, English, anything will be supporting here. Nowadays people, most of the people creating for Telugu vlogs. Which one? Telugu vlogs. There is a technical vlog or they write up their personal vlogs. So these are the peoples they creating for vlogs will be in the particular YouTube platforms. Why people choosing for YouTube platform? They are give the technologies. They give the everything here. Here coming to the traveler Telugu vlog. Some people will be showing for traveling here. Hyderabad to Andaman. So people will be showing for different. These are the Telugu travel vloggers. Why they are traveling any places? They explain by YouTube. Why? If you are go to that places, they explain by your YouTube. So you can know idea something about that the particular place. So this all will be given by the who? YouTubers. Like you have to using for serials, any kind of things. See here, Nokia 15 inches 4K LED smart TV with the Okio soundbar overview. So this all will be. If you are making any YouTube channels in this purpose, these are the particular things. Cooking videos, serial reviews. Some people will be give the Telugu serial reviews. You can go with this Telugu serial reviews. In this review just here, the people will be all will be coming to the part. So this all will be coming to the part of the YouTube channel. And education, if you come into the my channel Digital Rakesh, they will be reaching for everything, like any kind of things will be here. The particular YouTube channel is complete for education. Coming to the YouTube, what are the category will be support? We'll go for in this option will be called settings. In the setting we have to upload for default option will be there. In the everything will be there in your channel. Here all options are here, advanced and future everything. And upload time, so this all will be given by the in the particular platforms. Now coming to the particular option of the category. In the advanced setting you can see film and animation, autos and vehicles, music, pets and animal, sports, travel and event, gaming, people and blogs, comedy, entertainments, news and politics, how to and style, education, science and technology, non-profits and activism. So this all will be given support by the particular things. So my will be education. So different YouTubers, they're creating for different channels. There's some people showing for lifestyle. Like any people will be give the about sofa information. These are the things. Nowadays, suppose I'm searching for sofa. Here, so how come bed? When people will be searching here, you can see lot of videos are there. When you open the people watching videos here, they can know about the complete product details will be here. So what are the details will be here? So everything will be in your option. What I mean by they give us some knowledge about the complete product. And one more important, we have to using YouTube only main reason for to know the technology from unknown persons, to know about your channel and getting for subscribers for your channel and earning money from particular YouTubers. And guys who are making YouTube channel, don't make as a funny. Who are give the technology, a lifestyle, any kind of vlogs, the related things, you can go for the then. If you go for celebrity, a lot of people are celebrity making a channel. The purpose of to entertainment the persons, how his activities, everything will be given by the particular channel. Aha is there. Is one of the platforms, and a lot of people are making songs. Everything will be here. So these all will be futures call to making a YouTube channel. To will be trending create to earning money purpose. So guys, who are making for channel any videos, please make a video from good videos. Take a suppose you are very cooking expert. Making video will be cut video. The Windows 10 is a supporting for video editing software. Video editing software. No go for any other video editing softwares. This will be support. You can go for it and make the video by using in this platform. So this all belongs to for in a particular platform will make the video purpose. So this is the skills. You have to go this on option will be here. Technology and skill video, unboxing product, how to videos and videos nothing but we can call text edu fashion videos. These all will be informative, traveling, lifestyle, tips videos. Tips nothing but we go for health tips, yoga and anything meditation and food related tips. Everything will given by the in the particular YouTube channel. As a beginners, my suggestion will be go for best kind of videos. Like you are expert in cooking, we can go for cooking. If any kind of technical knowledge, go for technical knowledge. If you are very expert on the affiliate marketing, you can choose for affiliate marketing, or you can choose for any kind of technology for what are the skills like PowerPoint presentation, how to making a free website using blog or WordPress. These are all under comments to the particular YouTubers. Suppose you have to making a videos, and guys don't copy any kind of music from other party music. You can use your own music on the particular YouTube channel. Now in this, where you can go for it, audio library. In this complete channel, they give the free music will be here. Listen and download the music for the particular YouTube. There's no copyright. When you're using this music name, what are the genre name, mode name, and artist name you have to mention on the particular description part. That's compulsory important on the particular music using for using YouTube channel audio library option. Use it and make the videos and start your channel properly and promote by your videos, getting for traffic, subscriber views, and increase your earnings based on the video uploading. And you have to maintain the specific one time to upload video on YouTube channel, increase your earnings and increase your subscribers and views option. Thank you. Thank you for watching. And if you want more videos, please comment me under my channel comment box. Or if any kind of doubts, you can come into my website, Rakesh Tech Solutions. I have always supporting for WhatsApp chat. Ask me questions and learn more things. You can go to blogs, will be there, and below will be given by the study material and the video tutorial. You can watch and increase your knowledge on the digital marketing platforms.